Today's video is something a little bit different. We're going to be flying alongside drone delivery drones. Now, this is something which I know has not been done before, especially on a video like this. But I'm going to communicate with Manna drone, who are flying here in Finland, and I'm going to tell them that I'm going to be flying in the area where they're flying. Not asking them, but telling them. And I'm going to tell you why this is actually very important. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys. It's good to see you again. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel because I'm giving you lots of good information about how to fly your drones safely and responsibly. And today's video is no exception because we're going to be flying next to and in the same area as drone delivery. Now this is Manna drone, who are from Ireland, and they're over here in Finland working with one of the food delivery companies. And I've been part of the consultation team to actually assist them with them getting the permissions and whatnot, and also choosing the area. So the area that they are actually flying, I was actually part of the team that actually chose that for them and gave them that advice. It was one of many places that was chosen, but this was the one that we thought was the best. Now, there is no segregated area, so there's no, let's say, area which is just for them. It's an open area. Anyone can fly there. So really, I shouldn't even have to call them. But out of courtesy and safety, I'm going to call them and let them know that I'm going to fly there. And, well, they don't know I'm calling, and I don't know who's going to be on the other side. But let's see what happens when I make the call. So I'm going to call them. I don't know who's going to be on the other side of the phone. And I'm pretty sure they don't know who I am either. But let's see how this goes. And if it doesn't go well, then I'm not going to be too happy because I have the right to fly there. I'm being courteous. But so let's see what happens. It's ringing. So let's see. There was a wrong number on there. But let's see. Hello, who am I speaking to?
Hi, this is Aaron Jones from Manna.
Aaron Jones from Manna. Hi there, this is Stephen Sutton from Flyby guys in Helsinki. How are you doing?
Hi Stephen, how are you? Not too bad.
I'm good. Okay, so I see that you're flying at Niittykumpu just now. Your operation's running until, looks like it's 8 minutes past 3. I'm going to be flying in that area in about 30 minutes, which is 2:45. So I just want to let you know that I'm going to be flying in that area.
Yeah, no problem. Do you know, can you send me the coordinates of where you're going to be flying? I can add a buffer.
Yes, I can. How do you want me to send the coordinates to? Because this is an... Oh, by the way, the number that you have on Fluke is wrong. You have an 089 and it should be 09. I just luckily that I noticed that, so you've got the wrong phone number on there. Okay, so just to let you know.
Yeah, we can say that. I'd say best if you want to send me the coordinates on my email, it might be the easiest.
Okay, what's your email?
A few moments later.
Okay, I can send you coordinates, and that, you know, I'll be flying for about 15-20 minutes at 2:45. So just to let you know, it's going to be just near the West End area down there. So it's just the kind of northeast of your sector there. Okay.
Perfect. Yeah, and if you just send me a rough idea of how far you're going to be traveling as well,
I will do.
So I can include that in. Sir.
I will put it on Fluke.
But
I'll put it on Fluke as well, so you'll see that. So you'll see the radius there. So it's going to be about 200 meters or something. So you'll see that exactly. But I'll send you an email, Aaron. Thanks a lot, mate. Cheers. Thank you.
Lovely. Thanks.
Bye. So it was that easy, actually. So there was no negativity towards that you can't fly here because we're flying here. And this is good. This is how it should be. This openness and the communication about how to fly is really, really important. And this negativity that some people have about drone delivery is that it's going to kill the hobby and kill other people that are going to be flying there. That's wrong, because I know if you can communicate well and you inform, there's nothing to say that you cannot fly next to other operations that are going on. It's that simple. Okay, so now Manna, I do know Manna. I don't think Aaron knows me, so I think that this is actually. I think it just shows how professional they are, because we've been working with them, so we know how professional Manna Drone are. You know, obviously Bobby Healy, who has set the company up, he's done a fantastic job building that company and really, you know, expanding throughout the globe. And I really want to see this happen more, and I want to see this type of communication go on, so that we can work together and fly safe. Simple as that. Oh, that's my ending. I should say that. But yeah, so you'll probably see me flying now. But anyway, thank you all. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, as we do, fly safe.